Developing an enterprise application often requires months of manual planning and rigid coding. It can feel like carving a structure out of stone. Instead of starting with a blank screen, you can begin in Pega Blueprint. This is a standalone SaaS environment where the development process starts by simply describing what you need. You just type your objective, like home loan application, into the prompt. The AI takes that text and immediately generates a foundational design. Specifically, the AI maps out 4 essential building blocks: case types, case life cycles, data models, and the personas using the system. Because the AI generates these templates using established industry best practices, your project gets an immediate, highly validated starting point. Generating this visual roadmap first means your team can evaluate and approve the logic of the entire workflow before anyone writes a single line of code. Once that initial draft is generated, you simply share the Blueprint link with your stakeholders to begin the collaborative review phase. Because Blueprint operates independently as a cloud-based SaaS tool, business users and project managers can log in and contribute without needing a specific Pega license. Multiple users can jump in to adjust the architecture simultaneously. They can rename personas or add specific required fields to a data object right on the screen. If a specific business rule needs further clarification, contributors can drop comments directly on the relevant step for the development team to see. The Blueprint updates in real time for all participants, creating a single, agreed-upon source of truth for the application's requirements. Aligning the business experts and developers at this early design stage prevents the expensive, time-consuming rework cycles that usually occur late in production. When the design is finalized, you export the Blueprint and import the file directly into your Pega Infinity 24 instance. The platform immediately converts your roadmap into the living skeletal structure of a new application. From here, your team works inside App Studio. This is the primary low-code workspace where developers and business users physically configure the user experience. Running parallel to this is Dev Studio. This is the advanced engine room, reserved for technical tasks like complex integration mapping and security controls. The two studios are completely interoperable. If an engineer builds a complex integration in Dev Studio, it becomes a modular tool that can be easily applied by a user inside App Studio. App Studio focuses entirely on the business logic and user interface, while Dev Studio exposes the technical rule sets and raw data pipelines underneath. Structuring the platform this way means every team member works within the environment built for their specific expertise, while all contributing to the exact same application structure. Pega builds applications using a center-out approach. You focus on building a micro-journey, a specific workflow designed to achieve a single customer outcome, independent of the channel the customer uses. Every micro-journey requires 3 pillars: case types to organize the work, personas to organize the users, and data objects to organize the information. To rapidly build out those pillars, you can activate Pega Autopilot inside App Studio. By reading the context of your business objective, Autopilot analyzes your workflow and suggests additional stages and steps to complete the case lifecycle. When you create a new data field, Autopilot instantly suggests logical picklist volume, ensuring clean data entry rules right from the start. When you are ready to test the workflow, Autopilot generates highly realistic sample records for your data objects. You can then ask the AI to autofill entire forms during a test run, allowing you to simulate a complete user interaction in a matter of seconds. Letting the AI build the connective tissue of your application allows your developers to focus on refining the high-level business logic rather than performing tedious data entry. The result is a running application deployed on the Constellation UI system, which natively ensures the interface is responsive on both desktop and mobile devices. Once finalized, you can export the completed application back out, compressing it into a portable Blueprint template. You can then share this proven template across your enterprise. It serves as the gold standard starting point for departments building similar workflows. Relying on these modular templates prevents isolated, redundant development and enforces strict consistency across your entire organization. In a short span of time, you move from a typed idea to a collaborative visual design into an AI-accelerated application build, and finally to a reusable asset. The process feeds itself. Your finished application joins a global library, providing your entire enterprise with the exact building blocks they need to assemble complex solutions faster on the next project.